Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Last week I shared a video with you where I announced that we were giving away some free tickets to this year's event that's taking place in London, Tradersday Live, the ultimate event for traders. Well, in this quick video I'm going to announce the winners of 3 of those tickets with you. The reason there's only 3 winners is because the 5%ers told me they're still waiting to hear back from a lot of people who commented on that video. So if you are one of the people who watched that video and you commented on it saying, I want the opportunity to win a free ticket to Traders Day, make sure that you email the 5%ers so they get your details and then you will be entered into the competition. So there are still 2 remaining tickets left. So you could still get a chance at winning Traders Day Live tickets. But for now, we have 3 winners, so you may be one of the lucky 3 winners who are going to get one of those tickets, and I'm going to announce those winners with you right now. So I have the winners' details right here, and I apologise in advance if I have any mispronunciations with names. But winner number 1, who is winning a free ticket to Traders Day Live in Westminster, London this June 2023 is William Lister. Well done. Winner number 2 of a Traders Day Live ticket is Olu Ogidi. And winner number 3 of a Traders Day Live ticket is Paul Dalton. So they are the 3 lucky winners who are going to win a free ticket to Traders Day Live this year. To get more information about your free ticket, the 5%ers will email that to you. So the email address that you use to submit and enter into the competition, make sure you check that because you're going to hear from the 5%ers with details of your free ticket. And just a reminder, we do still have 2 free tickets. So you may still have a chance at winning one of those if you commented on my previous video, if you enter the competition by saying I want. All you need to do to complete your entry into the competition is send your full name and your country to maya@thefivers.com. There should be an email address hovering around here, so if you haven't done that already, make sure you do. That will enter you into the competition. We're going to extend it for another week so that the Fivers can hear back from more of you and then hold another final draw to see who the last 2 people are who are going to win the last 2 tickets to Traders Day Live. Meanwhile, if you want some more information about the event itself, I have got a link below, and I did go into more detail on what's going on at Traders Day Live in my separate video, so I'll include a link to that above. Meanwhile, enjoy the rest of your week and I will catch you soon. Bye!